So let's get started. What are the hiragana sounds? Let's see what are the hiragana sound. So as I already told you that in hiragana we have 46 characters which has different sounds. So let's get see the characters. So this is hiragana chart. So this is a which is a as the same in car, and this is e same as in C. This is U, the same U in food. This is A, which is in same in meat. O. This is Ka, Ki, Ku, Ke, Ko, Sa, Shi, Shu, Se, So, Ta, Chi, Su, To. The same To in tornado. And Na, Ni, Nu, Ne, No, Ha. The same Ha in hat. And sometimes this is pronounced as wa when it is used as particles. This is he, fu, he, ho, ma, mi, mu, me, mo, ya. The same ya as in yak. And this is you and yo. And this is ya, you, yo, la, ri. Same ri in ribbon. Ru, re, ro, wa, o, This is Now let's see the katakana chart. This is katakana chart. As I already told you that katakana used for foreign words, and it has the same sound as hiragana but has different writing script like a, e, u. These are the same sound which is as I told you earlier in hiragana. And this is e, o, ka, ki, ku, ke, ko, sa, shi, su, se, so, ta, chi. The same chi in cheese. When I say cheese, so cheese. And this is tsu, te, to, na, ni, nu, ne, no, ha. The same ha in hat. He, fu, he, ho, ma, mi, mu, me, mo, ya, you, yo, la, li, lu, re, ro, wa, o. So these are the sounds that in katakana. So katakana and hiragana has same 46 sounds. Both has 46 sounds. 46. And the sounds are same but the writing script are different. Katakana are used for foreign words and hiragana is used for Japanese words. So now let's see what are some kanjis. So as I already told you that kanji are the Chinese character adopted by Japan. So this is he, which means day and sun, and the sounds are nichi and he. This is moon and month, and the sounds are getsu, tsuki. This is mizu, means water, and sui and mizu are the sounds. So differences between in three scripts. So The purpose of hiragana is native Japanese words, katakana is for foreign words, and kanjis are for meaning based words. Hiragana are 46 character and katakana also 46 character, and kanji there are thousands of kanjis as I already told you. So that's all guys. So keep practicing Japanese and I will meet you in the next video. So bye.